Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create cartoon videos in Qwen Chat AI, even if you hit daily usage limits. I'll also show how multiple Gmail accounts can help you continue making videos without waiting. Step 1. Plan your cartoon story. Before opening Qwen Chat, plan your cartoon video story in advance. Use ChatGPT to generate your script, scene-by-scene breakdown and dialogues, so you won't waste AI usage on trial and error prompts. Example ChatGPT prompt. Write a 30-second funny cartoon story with 2 characters and colorful dialogues for kids. Now you have a ready-to-use script for Qwen Chat. Step 2. Split the video into short clips. Since Qwen Chat may limit video length or daily usage, break your story into 10 to 30-second clips. Generate each clip separately. Later, combine all clips in CapCut or VN Video Editor.